Unveiling the luck. Understanding fortune's favorite. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind common phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a particularly interesting phrase, fortune's favorite. So, grab your notebooks, and let's embark on this linguistic journey together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Fortune's favorite refers to a person who is particularly lucky or blessed with good fortune. It's as if fortune, personified as a capricious entity, has chosen this individual to receive special favors or luck. This expression stems from the idea that fortune is selective and has favorites among people to whom she bestows her gifts more generously than to others. The concept of fortune being a force that can favor individuals dates back to ancient mythology and literature. In Roman mythology, Fortuna was the goddess of fortune and the personification of luck. She could bring good luck or bad, and being fortune's favorite meant that the goddess looked upon you favorably. This idea has permeated through various cultures and periods, emphasizing the whimsical nature of luck and how it can significantly affect an individual's life. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Despite the challenges he faced, John emerged victorious, truly fortune's favorite. She must be fortune's favorite. Everything she touches seems to turn to gold. In the story, the protagonist is described as fortune's favorite, always escaping danger in the most miraculous ways. Using the phrase in sentences can add a layer of literary flair to your speech or writing, suggesting a deep appreciation for the role of luck and chance in life's outcomes. Discussing fortune's favorite also invites a broader conversation about the cultural significance of luck. Different cultures perceive and respect luck in various ways, often creating rituals, symbols, or charms to attract good fortune. This phrase, therefore, not only enriches our vocabulary but also connects us to a wider discussion about the human condition and our desire to find favor in the unpredictable twists and turns of life. And there we have it, a closer look at the phrase, fortune's favorite. I hope this exploration has not only expanded your understanding but also sparked curiosity about how luck plays a role in our lives and languages. Remember, the English language is rich with expressions that encapsulate complex ideas and emotions, making it an endlessly fascinating subject to study. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the beauty of English.